Hello everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to do a black based painting with metallics and pearls. So they're all Amsterdam paints, and my canvas is a 40 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I think I'm going to do a puddle pour is what I'm planning on doing today. So we'll see what happens. Let's begin. The paints that I'm going to use today, so I've got light gold, silver and deep gold, and then I've got oxide black, pearl red, pearl blue, turquoise blue and permanent red purple. So that's the little assortment of colours that I'm going to use. Okay, so as you can see, I painted my sides prior to painting so that it would be a bit easier. And this is oxide black. There's no other colours mixed in there, it's just pure oxide black. I think I'm going to spread my paint out today with a palette knife. I'm going to do two puddles. So I'm going to start with a turquoise blue puddle. And this is a permanent red purple. And then I'm going to put the pearl red on top of the, maybe I should mix them up. Put the red, pearl red on top of the blue and the pearl blue on top of the, I think I will. So this is pearl red and this is pearl blue. Ooh, that's pretty already. And we'll put some gold. This is the deep gold. A little bit of white on each one. I'll put silver on each. And some light gold. There's heaps of paint. Feels like there's lots of paint on there. So I'll just do. When I was pouring, it just felt like there was lots on there, so maybe I don't need too much. Okay, I'm going to torch it because there's. I think I'll blow the blue up there and the red purple down here, crossing paths along the way. But I'll blow the paint over first. Well, these colours are so beautiful. So so beautiful. I've kind of got a hole in the middle. Well, I think I've got a beautiful starting point here. I'll just do a few tweaks to it. Something's not right. I don't know what. These colors here are just, I really love this, and I just don't, I don't like this here anywhere near as much as this. I wonder if I can scrape that off and develop this a bit more, because it's, I think I will. So I just don't like that bit. I'm just not keen on it at all. I mean, it's nice on its own painting, but it's not right on this painting. I hope I don't regret this later. Can't remember the order I put these colours on. It's a shame. Anyway, I'll just put them on. I know that I don't have pearl blue or the magenta on there, so we'll just. Wow. I feel like it's off center, so I'm going to do something I don't normally ever do. I'm going to tilt it and try and move the whole center. Like that. And I'm also going to, now that I've made this black, this down here is a bit messy, so I'm actually going to scrape this off too. This section just here. I think that the composition's going to go like this. I think the composition actually goes like this. Thinking about scraping that off here. I have enough black paint, just with the composition of it, and I'm thinking I might just blow, yeah, I think I will. Okay, well this one took a lot of work, but I'm very happy with the end result. I think it's going to be very striking when it's dry. Okay, I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, let's have a zoom around. Got some gorgeous, that turquoise blue is just beautiful. We can't see the pearl that much at the moment, but I know it's there. I can see bits of the pearl in here. So it'll be lovely to see the luster when it dries. And I'm very happy with this end result. It's funny the way sometimes I have to work hard to get what I want, and other times it just happens so easily. This one was a challenge, but I think it's beautiful, and I just adore this colour, that turquoise blue, absolutely adore it. And the gold and silver, and it's just beautiful. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video today, watching me with my trials. I'm Kelly Driver. It's been great having you along today. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.